there, it's Pam from Made with a Twist, and I just wanted to pop in today to talk about how to create the modified bobble stitch for the Snowbound cowl and the Snowbound hat. So in order to do that, I will be showing you on a smaller swatch that's not worked in the round, even though our actual product is going to be worked in the round. But this is just to show you what the stitch is going to look like. So how we start is we create a chain of any even number of stitches. This one I used 24 stitches, and then I single crocheted across that chain and ended up with 23 single crochets. At the end I chained one, and now we're going to turn so I can show you how to create the bobble stitch. The bobble stitch is worked on the back of the fabric because when we create our stitch it's going to pop out through the back, and so when we actually use the fabric we'll be using the back as the right side. So to create our first row of bobble stitches, what we'll do is we're going to, sorry about that, I hit my little camera stand. We're going to single crochet in this first stitch, and then in this next stitch is where we'll actually work our bobble stitch. So in order to do that, we're going to yarn over, insert the hook through the front and back loops, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull that through the first two stitches on the hook, leaving that last loop here. We're going to do that 2 more times. So yarn over, insert into that same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now again we have another extra loop on our hook. One more time, yarn over, into that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 stitches on our hook. We'll yarn over and pull through all 4 stitches. That creates our bobble stitch, and what really makes it pop is when we do our next stitch, which is a single crochet into the next stitch. And now you can see, as I turn it over, you can see that bobble stitch pop out the back. Now we're going to create an entire row of bobble stitches, so I'll show you what that looks like when it's finished. Okay, now you can see I've completed my entire row of bobble stitches. This is the side that I've worked on. I got to my last stitch and I'm going to single crochet in that last stitch, and then I'll chain 1 and turn, and you can see this adorable row of cute bobble stitches that we will use for our cowl. Now this is made with worsted weight yarn, and our cowl is made with super bulky yarn, but the whole idea is the same. So I look forward to making this cowl with you, and please let me know if you have any questions and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.